Hey everybody, it's Krista. I am so excited to come to you today because I want to share with you that we have made some enhancements and improvements to the website. We've been very blessed to find an amazing web developer to work with, and he not only helped us bring the napkin video course to life, but he has also helped us with some enhancements that have been on our wish list for a while. So we've always wanted to improve the search functionality on the website. And so now you are able to search coaching tips and videos. And we've had this request for a while. So now when you go to coaching tips, you can actually search by a category, but you don't have to. You could just type in cholesterol and you'll see all the coaching tips come up, or you could type in garlic and you'll see all the coaching tips come up. And the videos work the same way. And so now, once you can drill it down and search by coaching tips and videos, but when you go to the site-wide search and you type in, let's say, spaghetti squash, you will see that it will default to pulling up all the recipes, but there's also a place where you can click coaching tips and videos, and you will see everything all come together that way. So in the site-wide search, you can also search for multiple ingredient now. So you could type in chicken and sweet potato, and all the recipes will come up that include both of those ingredients. Now, I want you to keep something in mind. It's not 100% perfect, because I want you to also keep in mind that if we mention, let's say, chicken in the why we like it, or in the quick tips, such as this recipe would also be great with chicken, you'll also see that recipe come up just because we included the word chicken in the recipe. So another thing that has changed and improved is I recently had someone tell me that she had 140 recipes in her recipe box, and she would love a way to organize her favorites. And so now when you go into the recipe box, you will be able to heart your favorites and they will move to the top, and you'll also be able to add them to your shopping list, or remove them from your recipe box, but you can also unheart them or heart them to move them around. So hopefully that helps keep you a little bit more organized. But something we're really excited about, because this has been on our wish list for a while, is now when you go into the shopping list, you'll still see all the recipes that you've added to your shopping list, but now there is a meal planner feature so that you can take your organizational skills up a notch and take those recipes that are on your list of what you plan to make, and you can actually assign them to a day and a meal, and you can add multiple recipes to lunch or to dinner, and it will organize it for you in a meal planner chart. And so the shopping list is pretty much the same, but now you have the ability to print any or all of those things. So let's say you just want to print your list of recipes and the meal planner, or maybe you just want to print your shopping list. So now you have that option. So we are super excited about that one. So we would love to hear your feedback and love to hear what you think. And thank you for joining us on this journey, and we appreciate you. See you soon.